In the actually the common directories because this is right now, this is the time to identify about the directories and their hierarchy standards. So what is the file system? Already you have heard about the file system like NTFS used in a Windows, FAT32 when you are formatting the pen drive or something, or there is a some file systems, example of the file system. So what is the file system? In a Linux or in a Windows, in a Linux or in a computer technology, the file system is just a arrangement of files and folder. Arrangement of the file and folders known as a file system. So of course there is a file system in a Linux is exist, like in a Kali Linux there is a ext4 file system name. File system and their hierarchy standards defines the specific directories for the specific content. So in a Linux there is a slash where all the files are stored. One is a folder is a home slash username, any username, it may be like my name is Vijay, user Vijay. So you can see the Vijay is will be displayed here slash home slash Vijay. So whatever the user you have, it will be have a home directory. So what is the meaning of the home directory? Home directory means your personal directory. Personal directory where your own configuration files, your private files will be stored there and no other user will able to access these files and cannot see these files. Another is a slash etc. Slash etc is a directory where all the system configuration files are exist. And another file is a slash var and log where is log will be saved. So what is the log? We have discussed already. Log is a file system generated data. File log is a system generated data which is recorded all the type of the events happened inside the system. So there is a some directory display the content of the slash home etc var home user etc var and log. We are going to show you the demonstration. To looking of this demonstration, like ls command is used when you will run the ls-a. So you can find out there is a lots of the directory are available here. Lots of the directory are available. So this directory is binary. Binary have the binary files means executable files, or you can see all the utility commands are stored inside this. Boot files, this having the boot information means all the files which are required at the time of the booting. So booting dev is a for the devices, etc used for the configuration home, the home directory for the user, and media is just any external media like pen drive, USB you are using. So it will be mounted on the MNT media. MNT is a plain folder, there is nothing inside it, but generally this is used for the manual mounting of any pen drive hard disk or any other folder. OPT, a folder which having the optional files and processes files inside the proc folder. So root directory is a directory for the root user. This is the home directory of the root user. Other users home directory inside the slash home, but root users directory is a slash root. Run sbin has the binary for the super user, services, systems, user information, variables. These are the directory which having the specific information. This is the three main directory which you will have to understand in a Linux Plus. One is a home directory, another is a etc directory. One is a home directory if you want to check inside the home. So you will use this and you will find if there is only one user, so one directory is there. If there is a 10 user, so there is a 10 directory. Every user will have the directory and all this directory will be available here. And ls/home, inside the home there is a bj directory And inside the widget directory there is a personal files like desktop personal, document personal, download, Linux I have created, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. These are the personal content for a user. And similar, if I will go inside the etc, so you will find there is a lots of the directory, lots of the files. All the blue color, these are the directory. All the white color, these are files. Okay, so there is all the like MySQL, already you know, DSCP, maybe you will find DPKG for the installation, fonts, Firefox user, ettercap, means there is any configuration files. All the configuration files you will find in this directory. Inside the Word there is a variables like backup, cache, lib, local, lock, log, mail, opt, run, spool files are here. And also there is a files or the folder is a log. Log is a folder where all the log will be stored. So here you can see there is a log, dpkg log, apt log, boot log, mac changer log, and lots of the things are there. Okay, come on, graphical login, already I have shown you how you can log in, and command line interface login I have shown you already.